struggling to get a job, right? So do you have any suggestions for them
Okay.
as to like where to look for
Okay.
jobs, how to apply, how to approach? Do you have to say anything on that? So hi
Okay.
Shivam. Okay, so tell us a little bit of yourself
Hi,
and
Bhavna.
what. Yeah, so tell us a little bit of yourself and where you're currently working at and what is your designation there.
Okay. Bhavna, my name is Shivam Rathore, and currently I'm working as a software developer at Hoping Minds,
Mm-hmm.
Chandigarh.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to my qualification, I did my MTech from NIT Jalandhar,
Mm-hmm.
and my role is here is a software developer. I am working on some real-time projects over here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my journey. Okay.
Okay, understood. So you mentioned you're currently working at Hoping Minds. So can you tell us more about the company?
Yeah. So actually, company is software is company,
Mm-hmm.
and it is working on some real-time projects
Mm-hmm.
over here, and it is also providing services to the corporate employees,
Mm-hmm.
which are working in some another organizations. Like suppose Bhavna, you are working in any software company, right?
Right.
So suppose you want to change your company as
Mm-hmm.
a profile.
Mm-hmm.
So we require some new skills for that. So we
Mm-hmm.
train you as a trainer
Mm-hmm.
and give you some new skills like
Mm-hmm.
SQL and Power BI like things. So these are the skills we train to the new corporate employees, and we actually also train to the students,
Mm-hmm.
right? Final year to improve their skills and help them to cross the interviews like that. And we also get some projects from the outside sources and from abroad also.
Okay.
So this is about the companies.
Got it. Right. Understood. So how did you stumble upon this opportunity, Shivam? How did you come across this opportunity?
So during my final year in MTech,
Mm-hmm.
actually there was a campus requirement. Company came to my college
Mm-hmm.
as a software developer profile. So I filled that form and got selected for the first round online assessment. And now I am here in front of you.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. So, how did your hiring process look like? You know, how many rounds were there?
Okay. So there are basically two rounds,
Okay.
and third round was the HR round.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first round was contains total two sections.
Mm-hmm.
First was a aptitude section, and second was a coding section, right?
Right.
So aptitude section was total of 45 minutes, containing a total 45 questions.
Okay.
And in a coding question, there was a total three questions,
Mm-hmm.
and each we have to solve in a within a 15 minutes.
Got it.
So after qualifying the first round, the result got declared within a 4 to 5 days,
Mm-hmm.
and I got selected there, and I was very happy.
Mm-hmm.
So within a 2 to 3 days, there was a one round two
Mm-hmm.
manager round plus technical round. So it is a actually combined round. Okay.
Okay.
So in a technical round, sir has asked me two questions
Mm-hmm.
from coding.
Okay.
Okay. One was from the array.
Mm-hmm.
The question was, I think, left rotate array was the D places. So we
Okay.
have to solve this problem in an optimal approach way.
Mm-hmm.
And second question was from the linked list.
Mm-hmm.
And the question was, I think, linked list or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right.
And after that, they asked me from the SQL.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a very interesting question and was a very situation-based question. So
Mm-hmm.
sir has given me actually three tables.
Mm-hmm.
Three tables. One was employment table,
Mm-hmm.
and second one was department table, and third one was, I think, address table. So
Okay.
sir has told me that you have to retrieve the name of the employees
Mm-hmm.
who actually working in the data science and what belongs to the Delhi. So I thought about the question 2 to 3 minutes, and with the help of inner join, I solved that problem, and sir was very happy. And after that, sir has asked me about some theoretical questions of object-oriented programming.
Okay.
So questions was like, uh, what is polymorphism, what is constructor,
Mm-hmm.
what is function overloading, and one is function overriding. So like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, there was a management round. In a management round, sir asked me about previous company experience because in my resume, I have mentioned my experience because I was working as a data engineer in
Mm-hmm.
Hyderabad, Lognarva Analyst Company. Okay.
Okay.
So sir has asked me about your previous experience and what are the major projects you have worked on there.
Mm-hmm.
So I explained all the projects which I actually explained one of the project which
Mm-hmm.
I work on the previous company.
Mm-hmm.
I showed one dashboard of Power BI to my manager sir. Actually, my manager sir is Rajiv sir. I am working on his team, and he's very cooperative guy, and like he's treating like a family member. So I explained that project to my sir, and sir told me, "Are you actually working any real-time projects right now?"
Mm-hmm.
So I told to my sir that actually I am creating one website, and it actually giving a service to the students. There is
Mm-hmm.
a one freelancing teacher
Mm-hmm.
and one student.
Okay.
So freelancing teacher giving service to the teacher student, and
Mm-hmm.
student is taking a service from the freelancer. So
Mm-hmm.
total there are three sections over here. One is
Mm-hmm.
admin section, one
Mm-hmm.
is a teacher section, and one is a student section.
Right.
So I explain various tools which I am using in my projects, all that things, right?
Mm-hmm.
So after that, sir asked me about my family background. So
Mm-hmm.
I told to my sir about that. After that, yeah, sir has given me actually a one situation problem.
Okay.
So actually, sir has asked me that there is a suppose one water jug problem.
Mm-hmm.
There is a one 5 liter jug water and
Okay.
one 3 liter water. So
Okay.
you have to measure a 4 liter water with the help of these jugs, and there is a no measurement unit. So I thought about that 2 to 3 minutes, and with the help of some hints from our manager, I solved that problem, and sir was very happy actually.
Okay.
And sir has actually said that can you join a company within a 2 days because the actually urgent requirement of the employee. We actually want a experienced guy. So
Okay.
we have a lots of projects over here. So I sir has given me a chance,
Mm-hmm.
and I said yes, sir. I can join because in a final year our NIT Jalandhar college allow us to take a industrial experience from the any organization. So
Mm-hmm.
I got a offer letter within a 2 days and joined the organization. So
That's
Bhavya, this is my journey from NIT
ah,
Jalandhar to Hoping Minds as
that's
a software
amazing.
developer.
That's amazing and that's very inspiring, Shivam. So, from
Yeah.
starting to beginning, how much time did it take for the entire process?
So it actually taken at least 2 weeks.
Okay.
First was done online form filling.
Mm-hmm.
After within a 1 week, I got a online assessment test.
Mm-hmm.
And after 3 to 4 days, there was a first round of technical and management round.
Mm-hmm.
After within a 1 week, sorry, one day I got offer letter, and two days I joined the company. Right.
Got it. Understood. Understood.
So
So you are a software developer, right? So how does a day look
yeah,
like in Shivam's office hours as a software developer?
yeah, it is a actually very interesting environment in my company. So
Okay.
there are so many areas. Like one is
Mm-hmm.
a UI UX designer,
Mm-hmm.
one front-end designer, and one back-end designer. So I am working on as a back-end designer here, and
Mm-hmm.
there is a one testing team which
Mm-hmm.
is fixing the bugs which are coming in the website.
Right.
So my role is as a backend in a software development
Mm-hmm.
and working on that.
Okay. Understood. So what are your work timings? What is the mode of work?
So my work time is like 10 to 6
Mm-hmm.
and 5 days.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my work time
Are you
over here
currently
and
working from
weekend.
home or you have to go to office?
Mm, currently, I have to go Monday to Friday.
Okay. Understood. Got it. So what do you think is like the expected CTC for someone who is working as a software developer? You know, like a expected range.
Yeah, I got let suppose you are as a fresher
Mm-hmm.
because I have a 1 year experience in a previous company. So suppose you have a fresher, so you can get a range of 4 to 5.
Hmm.
Okay.
Right.
So if you are experienced guy,
Mm-hmm.
so you can get suppose I am getting a 2.5x of the fresher plus 1 lakh of bonus
Understood. Got
per
it.
month. So
Oh,
this is my expected.
okay. Understood. So to become a software developer, right? So what kind of skills one should have? If somebody is in college right now
Yeah.
and they aim to become a software developer, what are some
So
of the skills that they can improve on and start learning?
okay. So first thing is any programming language,
Okay.
right? And data chicken algorithm to solve a complex at the backend problems.
Mm-hmm.
And for the front end, you have to need a HTML, CSS, and there are many. write down new technology, you can learn from that.
Mm-hmm.
So database you can learn PostgreSQL and MySQL also and MongoDB also.
Mm-hmm.
Testing, there are some good tools for testing, unit testing. We can do unit testings, and before launching our software to the market, there are lots of testings over there.
Mm-hmm.
So there are so many tools for that in a open market.
Okay. I see. I understand. So, you see, you are someone with a lot of experience, right? So, you got this job as an experienced guy. So, what are few of the challenges that you had to face when you were a fresher, and what kind of suggestions you have for the audience that are watching this, so that they don't go through the same?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. So first important thing is that you have to prepare a good project, right?
Right.
Suppose you want to become as a software developer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to create a one good project
Mm-hmm.
which contains a front end, back end, database,
Mm-hmm.
and testing process.
Okay.
So if you create a good project and you have a good LinkedIn profile and you are solving some good problems on gigs for gigs or lead code, you will
Mm-hmm.
definitely get selected as a software developer. And you have to prepare some core subjects like database management system, operating system,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a one more subject, computer network.
Mm-hmm.
So you can prepare that also.
Mm-hmm.
And aptitude you can solve from any standard book or from any open source. So these I can guide. And please uh, uh, put only those skills in your resume which you
Mm-hmm.
know very well. Don't put extra things in resume because they can ask anything from your resume also.
Mm-hmm.
So you can stick in during your interview also.
Okay, understood. So, what are few of the sources that you used in order to like learn coding or like to solve questions? Which platform did you choose, and how consistently you practiced your coding questions, and how important is practicing these questions
Okay.
on a daily basis?
Okay. Actually, there are many open sources. You can solve data acquisition algorithm problems on Geeks for Geeks,
Okay.
Lead Code, Code Chef. So
Mm-hmm.
I was solving problems on Geeks for Geeks. Daily problem of the day problem. There is a one problem of the day.
Mm-hmm.
So I was solving that also, and two to three problems daily. Actually, I was maintaining the consistency for that.
Mm-hmm.
So I was solving two to three problems daily. And working as a front end, I was creating some good projects. I was also creating one machine learning projects
Mm-hmm.
so that I can tell to my management that
Mm-hmm.
I was working on that also.
Okay, understood. Got it. So, what do you have to tell to people who are currently, searching for jobs and who are currently looking for jobs and struggling to get a job, right? So, do you have any suggestions for them
Okay.
as to like where to look for
Okay.
jobs, how to apply, how to approach? Do you have to say anything on that?
Okay. Suppose you are BTech passed out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a right now you have in a learning phase, so you can take some extra courses or training from the good company, good
Mm-hmm.
organization. Lognorma, sorry, Helping Minds is also providing.
Mm-hmm.
So you can take some training from any company, and after that you can apply to the some. There are so many like Naukri.com,
Mm-hmm.
LinkedIn also is there, so you can apply there also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it. Understood.
And there are so many campus drives also open.
Right. Okay, got it. Okay. So, so finally, the last question. What do you have to suggest or advise to all of the audience that are looking at this video? And, what do you have to give? And as an advice, what do you have to give them?
Okay, my suggestion will be that always work on your skills
Mm-hmm.
and improve your skills day by day so that you can prepare yourself for forward coming upcoming companies. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you will definitely get a good company and you have a good future. So I will suggest that please improve, focus on your skills only.
Okay.
College not matters, skills
Mm-hmm.
matters.
Understood. Understood. Got it. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications. We will also be dropping the Telegram link below in the description. Do join our Telegram channel for more information. And we will also be providing Shivam's LinkedIn link in the description. You can connect with him and feel free to like reach out to him in order you have any kind of doubts, right? So that's it for today. Signing off. Thank you so much.